The Alpha Aire unit was specifically designed to be able to remove the compressor without a torch and with a very small tool requirement. The tools required to remove the compressors are a pair of needle nose pliers, a pair of slide cutters, a multimeter, an adjustable wrench typically 10 inches long, a screwdriver set or your favorite multi-driver, a half-inch wrench or socket and socket wrench. Use a flathead screwdriver to access the compressor and electrical compartment. Disconnect the unit's main power supply. Measure the unit's main voltage again to verify the power is off. Remove the compressor cover retaining clip by lightly prying up and out. Remove the terminal cover. Note: record and mark the compressor wire lead positions. Depending on failure type, you may reuse the compressor wires. If you are reusing the wires, verify the integrity before reusing. Remove the compressor wires. The Alpha Aire high pressure switch is brazed into the compressor discharge line and will be replaced with the compressor assembly. Trace the two red wires into the wire bundle. Remove the wires from the bundle, then cut the parachute connections and pull through to the compressor area. Remove all 4 compressor bolts with a half-inch wrench or socket and place to the side. The air clips must be removed. Adjust your wrench to the proper size and loosen the fittings. The air clips are self-sealing. They will hold all charge or nitrogen pressure back as they come apart. The unit was fully charged during this video. Be sure to stagger the disconnections a few turns at a time. Once loose, you can finish by hand and pull the compressor slightly back and away. Simply pull the compressor out of the cabinet. Place the new compressor into the cabinet. Line up the compressor bolt holes. Insert all 4 bolts and start, but do not tighten yet. Carefully align the air clips together and start by hand. You may need to shimmy the line to help you get started. Once totally hand tight, finish with a wrench. Do not over tighten air clips. They do not need excessive force to tighten. Tighten down the compressor bolts fully. Do not over tighten. Wire the compressor cables into the compressor terminals. Verify the proper winding placement. Carefully position the wires and place the protective cover back on. Secure with retaining clip. Route the high pressure wires into the electrical cabinet and wire the electrical cabinet and use a wire nut to secure the wires back into the high pressure switch. Finish by cleanly securing the wires with zip ties. Prepare the unit for operation and close the panel. For more helpful tech tip videos, please visit www.unitedcoolair.com. Thank you.